I'm going to discuss today how you can truly become what you really deeply desire. आपकी जो दिल की इच्छा है, आप जो बनना चाहते हैं, वो आप कैसे बन सकते हैं। और दोस्तों, मैं आज अपनी कहानी आपको सुनाना चाहता हूँ। जब मैं विद्यार्थी था, when I was a student in college, and how I used to think and what kind of barriers, challenges, difficulties I used to face. I remember I used to represent my business school and I would go to Bombay, Nehru Center, and I would participate in these management conferences. And in these management conferences, I would meet all these big legends, all these top leaders. And I would get fascinated, I would get charmed by their aura, their personality, their outfits, their communication, their diction, their accent, and the strategies and the presentation. And I am also wearing a blazer, in these conferences. And I'm kind of feeling that, I'm just like them. And during those conferences time, I'll go there, share my visiting card. I'll feel so confident exchanging, some discussion, some pleasantries with them. And I would feel so powerful. And I would always think that, how is this life, this man. And now, as soon as I used to come back after attending these conferences, that enthusiasm, that energy, it used to be there, and I would go around tom and share this with my friends in college, whomsoever I meet. I'm full of motivation. But after a few days, that motivation would go down, and I'm into my default self. I'm into same routine, same thought process. And friends, believe me, this sort of life continued all these years, and I could only achieve those 7% increment which I would get every year in my organization. However, this truly wanting to become something at a world-class level, at doing something grandeur, I never thought I could do anything. So I think facing life challenges is the most beautiful part of anybody's life. Every challenge has a seed of opportunity, and I was fortunate I had challenge, and this made me discover so much inside me. I'm sharing with you few techniques, few tips which can help you, which can truly help you in discovering whom you want to become, in assisting you whom you want to become. So first thing in this is, what is very important is focus on building your character. We always have heard, communication is so important, our body language is important, what we wear is important, our accent is important. Those come secondary, but what is most important and truly what you want to become is your character. Now, what is character? Character is about your imagination. Character is all about your values. Where are you grounded? What values you are consistently practicing? Value of big thinking, value of challenging the status quo, value of empathy, value of accepting others as they are. These are some of the values which can help you in truly becoming what you want to become. Because at the end, if we truly want what we want to become, we need support, we need help, we need lot of help, guidance from people who live near us. So first thing is building your character. Second thing is start to accept your life problems. As I mentioned in my own life story, my turning point was accepting my life problems. So when you start to accept your life problem, it creates a unique opportunity to rise to that occasion, to gather knowledge, to gather deeper insights of how you can transform this challenge, your life challenge, into an opportunity. And this journey teaches you, this journey makes you, what you want to become. Third thing, which is very important, is give yourself an environment where you can blossom, where you can bloom. A lot of time we don't get that support in our family members, we don't get that support in our friends. So here it is very important how you're giving yourself an environment. What kind of books you are reading, what kind of content you are watching online. Are you investing time with coaches, mentors, senior industry leaders? What are you doing? You have to give yourself an environment where you can truly flourish, you can truly create a newer you, a newer version of yourself, a newer life for yourself. The fourth point is there'll be tough moments where you would start question yourself that where is my life going? Am I doing right, wrong? And you start to question your own stance, your own thought process. Here it's very important to reflect every single day and measure your own progress. I can guarantee if you are walking this path every single day, you are taking steps, you're taking actions, you're taking initiatives. And I want you to recognize this yourself and boost your own self, because seldom people around you will recognize these initiatives. They will still see you from your past. You got to learn this art of boosting yourself by recognizing, accepting, and celebrating your daily progress. And the last, what is most important is don't give up, my friend. मेरे दोस्तों, इस जर्नी में हिम्मत मत हार. ये जर्नी आपकी परीक्षा लेगी, आपको पुश करेगी, आपको रुलाएगी, आपको हंसाएगी, पर आपको इस जर्नी में हिम्मत नहीं हार. It's a matter of time. In what you want to become, you will become. You got to have 100% trust and belief in your imagination of what you want to become. I want you to pursue this path. I want to see you truly become what you want to become. And I, Amit Kasliwar, is with you in this journey. Let me know whatever way I can assist you in your journey. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.